You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? French pronunciation of this word, meaning cathedral. How do you say cathedral? There's obviously a famous one in Paris, Notre Dame. If you want to learn how to pronounce that, make sure to stay tuned and more useful vocabulary in French, linking to many at the end of the video. Cathédrale is the French pronunciation here. Cathédrale. Cathédrale. There's no particular stress on any particular syllable. They're all stressed the same. Cathédrale. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can say cathédrale. Cathédrale. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.